Well, the market's in mostly bearish. My name's Des here at Grok Trade. It's Tuesday, June 2nd, 2015. I'll be your host for the next few moments here. Taking a gander here at the markets, you have the S&P down 0.1%. You have the Dow down 0.14%, the Nasdaq down 0.3%. What's interesting here is Nasdaq fared the worst here, with small caps faring the best, with Russell's up 0.2%. Schism with what we're seeing here in the markets overall. On top of that, we have the banks up 1.17% gain. That's showing a lot of strength in the underlying current of this market, showing a lot of upside potential, at least keeping buoyant with this sort of financial support. That said, the small caps, they fared very well with that news, but the Nasdaq still did not. Silver up 0.44%, about the same for gold. And the dollar took a huge hit today, down 1.6%. For the US dollar to be doing so poorly, the markets really should have seen more green than this. That certainly helped the banks in this case. And the VIX, the fear indicator, up 1.5%. Go over here to the spider, taking a look at this, and we popped, rallied, still did not make a new high, but then we crashed, busting a lot of support. This was a danger zone. This is what we were fearing that could happen, and what ended up happening was the markets rallied back, closing above the trend lines but below the 20-day moving average. The Dow drop, rallied up, and then simmered back down. This is right here a spinning top, but it's not a top. It's actually a spinning top at the bottom of a trend leg here. And what's interesting is we still get a close below two major trend lines. Very bad news for the Dow. The Nasdaq, long-legged spinning top here, but in consolidation, so don't read too much in it, other than the fact that we still remain above the 20-day moving average. Small caps tried to break out, failed to do so. By the end of today, we dropped, rallied back, but finding resistance. But this is acting like it's wanting to break out. This could get bullish, especially with the financials being as bullish as what they are. Now the banks, this had to happen today. I called a warning that we started breaking down here. And once you break support, bad things happen. And the only thing that could save it would be a massive rally to get back above this trend line and within the two channels, or the two trend lines making this channel. We have now what's called a jab. That jab now has healed itself. This should start to rally northbound. With the financials showing support, this should only keep going northbound. Silver, just a sideways move. Gold, just a sideways move. I'll be quite frank, it looks like it's ready to make another descent downward. So we'll go over here, take a look at some tech stocks and see any big movers. And LinkedIn made a 2% rally. Oh, LinkedIn tick higher in volume. LinkedIn could be putting in a low here, and there's that. Oh man, this gap down run up, that was the buy right there, and it should only head higher. So LinkedIn could be a buy right now. Taser's up 2%, and Taser is something I'm watching for my own trade here. And actually, I'm going to take this alert and move it right there. If it breaks that, I want to be alerted, maybe looking to trade that. So anyway, big time mentorships coming up. I hope you can join us in June or July live in Vegas. Very excited about that one. Listen up for some more details. Right now, go to groktrade.com. We've kicked off a radical summer promotion that many will consider provocative. This promotion is called Glocks for Groks. Our mentorship students receive a new gun. That's right, you get a Glock handgun, or use your $500 credit towards any gun you desire. Perhaps you want an AR-15. You know, the gun that's commonly referred to as the assault rifle. Well, it could be yours. Our mentorship students who qualify will receive their firearm from a federally licensed gun dealer. Get more details at groktrade.com. Qualifying students will complete 3 simple steps. Step number 1, take the 101 courses. These 6 lessons are absolutely free and there's no obligation. They are beginner-level trading tutorials received via email. Step number 2 are the 201 courses, 30 video-based trading tutorials that are more advanced. Step number 3, the 301 mentorship, and this is where you receive your gun. Perhaps you're not interested in a firearm. That's okay. We can put your credit towards an airline ticket for our live Vegas training in July, or simply apply the credit towards your tuition. Whatever works best for you. Glocks for Grok's gun promotion is for a limited time only, good for any of the 3 mentorships scheduled for either June, July, or August. And the special live 3-day mentorship is in July in Las Vegas. Go now to groktrade.com for more details.